Good morning, children. I hope you people have seen the previous video where I have already discussed about the both the houses and the president. Both the houses where everyone has understood by now which is the most powerful house, that is the Lok Sabha where money bill is being originated, and obviously the Rajya Sabha, that is have only exclusive power over few things. Like Rajya Sabha is a permanent body and it's only one third member retired every second year. Right, everyone? It can pass the state laws. Now, in Lok Sabha, as everyone knows, the majority party wins and the head becomes the PM, who forms his council of ministry in the Lok Sabha. Now, this present video is in continuation with the previous video. Do listen to all the videos attentively. You will get all your answers and you will be able to complete your assignments well, right? So let's start with this topic now. Now, I'm going to explain you about how the bills are being passed in the house, what process they have to follow before finally getting the assent by the president. Assent means the permission, so they have to follow few procedures before this bill finally move to the president for the signatures and his assent or the permission. Right, everyone? So over here I'm going to explain you about the very first thing about the ordinary bill, how this bill is being passed in this house, and then I simply move on to the money bill. That would be in the next slide. Done, everyone? Now, how this non-money bill is being passed, the very first process everyone knows, non-money bill, also known as ordinary bill, that is only originated in either house of the parliament. It can either originated in Lok Sabha or in Rajya Sabha. That means any house can take up an initiative and can present this bill. Right, everyone? Now over here, the very first thing, it can take birth in any house, be it Lok Sabha or in Rajya Sabha. Now after being originated in either house, in any house, after that which process this bill has to follow, that I'm going to explain you in this slide. Done, everyone? So over here, now the bill afterwards, now after its origination, now what happened? Now this bill has to pass through 3 readings. Means if now everyone has to approve and see this bill before this bill goes to the another house for approval, right? So 3 readings matlab everyone has to read this bill. Done, everyone? Following committees will read this bill, what is it all about, what this bill tries to say, and how far it is good for the public or for the country, right? So it has to pass through 3 readings. Done, everyone? Readings, don't get confused. Readings, now the bills needs to be checked by different committees. Clear, everyone? Now very first of all, now the bill has to pass through 3 readings. First reading talk about features and aims. The very first reading, they're all going to discuss about the features and aims in the first reading. Second reading says about consideration, submission. Now second reading goes to the committee, related to that committee, that this bill moves to that committee. Done. And the discussion takes place clause by clause with the help of laws and articles. The discussion on this bill is being taking place among the committee members. Afterward, now in the third reading, the whole bill is considered and accepted and rejected by the members. So among the members itself, always clear, it is not passing to the another house. It is only in the same house, and these 3 readings have to be followed in the same house before this bill is being transmitted or transferred to the other house. Done, everyone? Now in the third reading, the whole bill is considered and accepted and rejected by the members. It is up to them. Clear? Afterward, if it is accepted in one house of the parliament, the ordinary bill goes to the other house where same procedure is followed. Now after all this procedure, after 3 readings in the one house, now it moves to the another house for discussion. Now another house also follow the same procedure. The whole 3 readings has to be done in another house. Now afterwards, the bill shall be deemed to be passed if it is accepted by both the houses, goes to president's assent. Afterwards, what happened? If another house accepted the bill without any doubts, without any problems, without any questions, then this bill shall be deemed to be passed to the president and president can sign. Afterwards, what happened? If not, suppose if the condition arise, if not the other house accepted this bill, afterwards what happened? Then president calls for the joint session where will of the Lok Sabha prevail. Always remember, president tries his level best to solve the dispute. Now for this bill, everyone knows, I already told you about the days, the number of days. Now this bill have 6 months. Any house can keep this bill for 6 months and discussed anything related to this bill, and if this bill is not being solved within 6 months, then the situation of deadlock shall arise. And who is going to solve the deadlock? The president, after taking joint session of both the houses of the parliament, right? And here try to understand in joint session whose will more prevail, which house can more command over this bill, has the more command over this bill. Obviously Lok Sabha. That means Lok Sabha has majority, has more members comparison to the Rajya Sabha, and might be possible Lok Sabha members can dominate over this bill also. Why? Because it is numerically a very large house. It is having more number 52 in this house comparison to Rajya Sabha, which is only having 250 members. So that means Lok Sabha is, why is Lok Sabha is more powerful? Because in this bill, in this bill, obviously this Lok Sabha bill is being prevailed. Why? Because numerically this house is more powerful. Clear, everyone? Then president gives or reject his assent, it may send it back to the parliament for consideration. Now this bill can, one thing more be just clear, one thing, the president can reject this bill also. If suppose both houses have approved this bill, that means the ordinary bill, and it is going for the president for permission or the assent, president can reject the bill, and again this bill can goes to that same house where it is being originated, whether it is Lok Sabha or in Rajya Sabha. President can refuse this bill, but one thing be sure about that, president can never say no to the money bill. He has to sign then and there after approval given by both the houses. But in this bill, in this non-money bill or the ordinary bill, president can reject and send it back for reconsideration. So I hope so people have understood how non-money bill is being passed in the house, what process this bill has to follow, right? It is a very easy process. The very first of all, any house can take up the initiative for passing the money bill, for passing the non-money bill, for passing the non-money bill or the ordinary bill. Any house, it can be originated in either house of the parliament, be it Lok Sabha or in Rajya Sabha. Afterwards this bill has to cover up 3 readings. In 3 readings the bill is being discussed fully. Afterwards it is moved to the another house for reconsideration. Then everyone, another house also has to follow these 3 readings, which I have already discussed in the previous hand, right everyone? And afterwards it moves to the president for assent or permission. Afterwards what happened? If president accept the bill, it's fit and fine, right? He can simply sign and this bill can become an act. Clear, everyone? And if the president says no, this bill can again go back to the house where it has been originated. Or else, if both the houses are not agreeing to this bill, because they have already taken 6 months time, then joint session can be conducted by the president over for this bill in the parliament, right everyone? I hope so people have understood. Now let's move on to the another slide. Now, passing of a money bill. I have already explained you the passing of the non-money bill or the ordinary bill. Now passing of a money bill now can be introduced. All please be clear in your brain. It is only introduced in the Lok Sabha with the approval of the president. Next, pass through the stages. Which stages? The first 3 readings. I already explained you in the previous slide. Then it is sent to the Rajya Sabha, who has to give its recommendation within 14 days. Afterward, Lok Sabha may accept or reject the recommendation made by the Rajya Sabha. President cannot reject the money bill. He has to give his assent. Kindly do remember, in both the slides there is a vast difference. In the previous slide I talk about the non-money bill. This slide I am talking about the money bill. And money bill can only originated where? In Lok Sabha. And how much time is being given to the other house for giving the consideration, for giving the approval? It is only 14 days, right? And in these 14 days it is up to the Lok Sabha whether it can accept or reject the recommendation made by the Rajya Sabha. Clear, everyone? If it is not accepting the recommendation made by the Rajya Sabha, then the bill shall be deemed to be passed, because everyone knows Lok Sabha has more authority over this bill, over the bill which is the money bill. And the best example is the budget. I hope so people have understood now. And president obviously cannot reject this bill. Clear? Now next, budget. I already talked about the budget in many slides, in many videos. Now I have already given the definition in depth. What is the budget all about? Always remember, budget is a type of a money bill which is only originated where? In Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha enjoys the expenses, right? The budget of the house. That's why this house is more powerful. Let's see that. Annual financial. Now budget meaning, it is an annual financial statement of the estimated receipt and expenditure of the government of India in respect of the financial year, where revenue expenses is being discussed properly in the budget. The railway budget and the general budget, right? 2 types of budgets are there, railway budget and the general budget. Now budget introduced in the Lok Sabha, always remember. Now estimates of expenditure of the budget are in 2 groups: charge on consolidated fund of India, right everyone? Now on one hand they have the list of expenses, right, Now expenses is the salaries which are being given to the member of the parliament. Now salaries where the member of the parliament are being drawing from, they are being drawing from consolidated fund of India, which is the fund created by the parliament, always remember. Next, expenditure presented to the Lok Sabha set in the demand for grant can be voted in the house. Now this expenses can be voted in the house. Clear everyone? Next, the other part of the budget is about the income of the government. That means income, the sources from the taxes which government is taking for the coming year are placed together called the finance bill, and this is called the finance bill. I hope so people have understood ki budget is what? Budget is the annually financial statement which talks about receipt, receivings, done everyone, of income and expenditures. That means on one hand they have the incomes, the sources of incomes. Government of India prepared the budget, right? Prepared the financial statement where on one hand they have the income. Now how come government is earning the income with the help of the taxes? On the another hand they have the expenses, right? Expenses, different types of expenses which they are incurring on the public works, right? On the salaries which they are giving to the member of the parliament, and the salaries how they are giving by through consolidated fund of India, which is the fund created by the parliament. I hope so people have already understood. Now budget is of two type, railway budget and the general budget, and is only introduced in which house? Lok Sabha, always remember. Clear? Done everyone. The expenditures can be reduced in the Lok Sabha, and where the demand for grant, now here in this the demand can be made out of these expenses, right, among the members of the house. Next, the other part of the budget is about the income of the government. Now the other part of budget talks about the income and where they are getting, government is taking the income where? Through the taxes which government is charging on different items. Clear everyone? Next, come on to the next slide. Now parliamentary procedures, there are different procedures which has to be followed in the parliament, and I already explained you about these procedures in the previous video. Like very first video I talked about quorum, that is minimum number of strength to be there for conducting the meeting, and it is 1/10 of the total member of the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. That is called the quorum. The next is casting vote. Here speaker of the house or the vice president of the Rajya Sabha can cast their vote in case if there is a tie for the proposals in for or against the bill, right? Suppose some proposals is being discussed in the house and that proposal has got equal number of votes. Now who is going to then could break that tie? Who is going to approve whether it is yes or no? Then speaker can cast his vote in Lok Sabha and can break the tie. In the same way, Rajya Sabha, if the same situation arises in the Rajya Sabha, then vice president can cast his vote to break the tie. Right. Next, the question hour. Everyone knows this hour is for question and answers, right, related to public importance. Members may raise the questions from the government. Next, the 0 hour. 0 hour is simply started just after question hours, and any form of questions can be discussed. Next, motions. Everyone knows through the motions, the various proposals, members may express their opinion. I've already explained you. The resolution. What do you mean by resolution? The majority opinion in the house, where members may express their opinion. Adjournment motion. Everyone knows this motion can be passed where? In the Lok Sabha, where this motion can only be passed when something related to public importance arises. Clear? And then parliament has to simply suspend the present session and take up the cause for the public importance. Clear? Then motion of thanks. Here the president would be thanking. Clear? Here the motion of thanks means after president's address means what? Where president simply stated the PM's policies and programs, and in this, obviously, after listening to his president's address, the members have to thank the president. Right, everyone? This is known as motion of thanks. The next, cut motion. Everyone knows this motion is only passed when budget is passed, right? And here budget can be deducted through the cut motion. The member may express after discussing that bill. Clear, everyone? Let's move to the under. Now here we have reached to the last part. Now I hope so everyone has understood what I'm trying to say. In this video I have already explained you about the differences among the money bill and the non-money bill. Always remember, money bill originated in Lok Sabha, non-money bill can originate in either house of the parliament, right? Let's move on to, then I talked about the budget. Everyone is getting confused with what is the budget. I've already explained you in depth Budget is what everyone knows. It is the annual financial statement of what, of the income and expenses of the government, right? And government income is what, the taxes, and government expenses is what, the salaries and the works for the public, for the public welfare, right? These all the expenses, right? And every government tried their level best to have more income as comparison to the expenses. Clear, everyone? Budget is the example, is a type of a money bill, and there are two forms of budget: really budget and the general budget. Clear, everyone? Now, as already told you, the passing of a money bill, the procedures and everything I already explained you. Done? So I hope so till here you people have understood what is it all about. You will get all your answers. You will listen to all the videos related to the parliament. You will get all your answers of the assignments. Clear, everyone? Thank you so much.